Hi everyone, Yen here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna try to do the 3D flower that I think Fiona Art started. At least that's where I saw it. And I'm gonna do it in the Pride flag colors in celebration of Pride Month. That starts here, 1st of June. And yep, I'll just tell you what my colors are. My first color is the red Amsterdam. It is the naphthol red medium. And then I have the Amsterdam orange. It's an azo orange. And an Amsterdam azo yellow light. Then the next green one is a goya. I think it's a Germany, yes, it's made in Germany. It's a goya permanent green, and I added a little of the goya dark green to it to, yeah, make it a little darker. Then I have the Amsterdam ultramarine, and last but not least, I have the permanent, what does it say? Permanent blue violet, which tends to dry like black for me. So in order to avoid that, I put in a little bit of this gerstaecker pearl silver to lighten it up a little bit. And yep, let's just get started. First I'll put in a little puddle of white. And I actually would like to, I'm gonna try to not have the center in the center because I like it a little to the side. That's at least what I'm gonna try to get. So I'm not gonna start exactly in the center, I'm gonna start here, I think. There we go. I guess we'll just get started. So I'm just gonna do the first 6 little puddles, and then I'm gonna speed this up for you so you don't have to watch this, because that's gonna take some time. Here comes the purple. There we go. And now I'll speed it up, so I'll be back soon. Well, first of all, the green seems to really want to take over. Secondly, funny that I said I wanted the center up here, and it's actually moving all the way down here, so it must be, my canvas must not be level, but yeah, I guess that's how it is. I'll just try to recenter it then. While I'm stretching here, I just want to mention to you that we are 5 artists that have decided to do a collaboration. On the 20th of June, we'll be releasing our videos. It's going to be very exciting. Really hope that you will watch all of them. So the 5 artists are Lori from Pizzazz Studios, and then Brian from Brian's Upper Valley Artistry. It's Sarah from Colorful Creations by Sarah, and Dave from Dave's Acrylic Pouring Art. I'll leave links for their channels in the description below, and hope that you will go check them out. They're all very awesome. As I said, it'll be on June the 20th, and the videos will be released at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, go check them out. So now we go to the fun part. Let's see if it works. Well, this looks kind of cool. I'm a little irritated about that one, but I wonder if I should do. No, it's going to be too much, right? Yeah, I think I'll stop here. So I'm just adding some flow extender here to make sure that the whole canvas is covered. Hopefully the colors will cover the whole canvas, but just to be sure. Yes. This is my first time using a spinner or a lazy Susan or whatever you want to call it. So that's going to be interesting. Well, there's definitely enough paint on here. I was afraid there wasn't enough, but now I'm afraid I might have too much. Well, we'll see. Maybe try the other way. at least one more. Cool. Not exactly the rainbow colors. The green really took over and it even mixed with the yellow. And my problem with the purple get drying too dark, I think this time it seems that it got swallowed up a little bit by the red. But yeah, well, I'll give it another spin. There's still a little, the corner is still not covered, so. So, what have I learned? I think my paint was a little too thin, actually, and that's why it's blending too much. Still pretty cool. I don't know. We'll have to see how it dries. I might not keep this one, but it was my first try. Lessons learned. The center, the last few pours that you do, or drops that you do, or whatever you want to call it, should be smaller. This is way too big, I think. Yeah, it should be smaller. So good to know for next time. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I appreciate it that you're here. Hope that you will come back. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment. I would love if you left a comment. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.